Hi friends, this is Gina Mayo from iChooseJoy.org, and today we are doing an unboxing of the See It and Say It Flip-Flop Spanish curriculum that we are going to be using this year in my family. It's called Whole Family Homeschool Spanish, and I'm so excited that I will be able to use this for 6 of my kids all at the same time. They're in grades 3rd through 6th grade, so let's open up the box and see what we got. So this box is this thick. Go ahead and turn it over to this side, and then we'll come back to that in a bit and open it up and see what's inside, which I can't do with one hand. There we go. Okay. So 3 easy steps to get started now. Assemble your binder, open to lesson 1, lay out your first 6 flashcards, and play the track 1 from the flash drive. So I see here that we've got our cards. So that's one set, and here's a second set, and here is the 3rd set. And then, so in the box, it says there's the curriculum manual, 150 pages equals 4 semesters. So that's 2 full years worth of lessons. 3 sets of flashcards, that's what I just showed you. 4 CDs of audio lessons are contained on the flash drive. A dry erase paddle and marker, and 2 sturdy flashcard pages. How often do you do the curriculum? 3 times a week, about 10 to 15 minutes for each lesson. Oh yay, I can definitely fit that in to our crazy life. Okay, what do you do with all this stuff? Your paleta whiteboard paddle for Pictionary, illustrating, writing, and for fun. I think I'm gonna have to get more of those for my kids. The flash drive has the audio lessons. Listen 3 times a week to the same lesson. Perfect. 2 card holder pages to save your sentences in your binder. 3 sets of flashcards. Review and say them, sound out the words, and use them for each audio lesson. And one reason I'm able to use this with my 10th grader is because I didn't want to do written formal Spanish with her. She has dyslexia, which makes it really difficult to write and spell English in addition to other languages. So I didn't want to force another language on her. But I do want her to know Spanish, and so we're going to do this mostly conversationally with her. So here's that fun paddle. It's dry erase. You feel it, so you can dry erase that. That is so cute. So this stuff is sealed up. This is what will go in the binder. I can see it's already 3-hole punched, and this is a cover that can go in the front of the binder. Perfect. Oh, and this is the binder label, so it shows you how big your binder needs to be. Great. Has a dry erase marker to go with that paddle. Here is the flash drive, and there are some protectors that have also 3-hole punch that you can put the cards in. This is going to be so much fun. I'm so excited to teach Spanish this year with all my kids together, and it's going to be so doable. Yay! Thank you, Flip Flop Spanish. So be sure to check my link below so you can go check it out and see if it would be great for your family too. See you later.